Hello, I am Jyotsna and here I am back with one more character. First of all, thank you so much for all those valuable suggestions we received from Facebook and Insta. So following that, this time we tried to make our video a bit different and more interesting for you all. आज का हमारा कैरेक्टर इज फ्रॉम द स्टोरी एक अकाउंटेंट की डायरी में मिट्टी की गंध written by गौरीनाथ which is dramatized by Swati Dubey ma'am, actor and director at Samagam Rangmandir. So let's get started. So without wasting much time, I am playing base makeup clippings in super fast speed. इन्हें आप पूरा हमारे पिछले मेकअप वीडियोस में देख सकते हैं. The link is given in the description. In this story, the name of this character is not given. But before playing any character, an actor must have at least basic information of it, जिसमें से काफ़ी कुछ स्क्रिप्ट में गिवन होती है और बाकी हम गिवन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के अकॉर्डिंगली इमेजिन करते हैं. तो उसी हिसाब से मैंने इस कैरेक्टर का नाम अमृता रखा है, बट शी लाइक हरसेल्फ टू बी कॉल्ड एमी. This story is about what happens when a person gets detached from his roots. The protagonist had faced a lot of struggles in his life since his childhood. He completes his education, reaches Delhi and becomes an accountant. And then he gets involved into corruption and start doing all those things which he himself used to hate and had suffered because of. My character Amy is the daughter of this accountant. And she is also suffering from many problems, but of different kind. This girl had no one's guidance since childhood, and that's why she doesn't know how to handle her life, what's good for her and what's not. The accountant thinks that his daughter is only after money, which apparently he himself is, and her mother also is busy partying with her friends. As no one is giving her time, so Amy too started going to parties every night to keep herself occupied. Clubbing, drinking, smoking is part of her daily routine now. In relationships as well, she's not having a very good experience. This is the second time she got pregnant by her boyfriend and is aborting her child. And now she's not even sure that her boyfriend is going to stay with her or not. She is emotionally shattered and doesn't know what's to be done. But we are done with our costume and makeup. And for hairstyle, I'm giving her pin straight hair with colorful highlights. Our character Amy is now all set to go for a party. So let's get along and enjoy with her. Here presenting some clippings of events from Amy's life. So here she is, a self-centered, carefree, stubborn, indecisive, immature and lonely girl Amy from एक अकाउंटेंट की डायरी में मिट्टी की गंध. Enjoy these stills of the character. I'm sure that you would love the video. Please do like it, share it, subscribe it, and if any suggestions, do comment down below. And yes, don't forget to press that bell icon so that you can get notifications of all our upcoming videos. Stay safe and keep watching our videos. Bye bye.